I'm very passionate about keeping my cars clean. I have just acquired a nice little Corsa Light, which is something very special to me. I like to spend some time cleaning it. And on Facebook ads, I found DetailEase on Facebook ads. DetailEase. This is Decon8. This is a wheel cleaner and iron fallout remover. That's something I really want to look at. So I've been looking for a product that will do the job for me with a lot less elbow grease of having to jack the vehicle. I'll drop the link in the description, and I'll put a couple of ads maybe here, and here, depending where I can put that bubble. I don't really know. When I purchased it online from DetailEase website, it was done by card transaction, fairly simple. It arrived within 3 or 4 days, and it was here. Came in a small box, arrived like this, spray bottle, and they gave me a nice little DetailEase sticker. So it's simple, spray bottle, screw your spray bottle in. There we go. Do a video now, before and after the wheels. It says it's an iron fallout remover. Spray onto the surface you're working on before the shampoo wash. Wait around 2 to 3 minutes until the solution activates and turns a dark purple in color. And then rub in with a soft brush or microfiber cloth if needed. It says I don't really want to do that. I want something I can spray on and takes it off. I don't want to go that extra mile. Spray off with a high pressure hose. Okay, let's see. They've got a Facebook link, Instagram link, and a YouTube link. This is a 500. I tried it on the mags of my Corsa TSW mags, 15-inch wheels. They're not heavily soiled, so it was a breeze. Spraying it on, waiting for the couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes for it to turn purple, as it says in the instruction. And because it's not heavily soiled, it didn't take much to rinse it off. There was some areas maybe with the cloth, just a light touch, just to take anything else that's just slightly stuck there. But a breeze, it makes life a lot easier. I didn't have to jack up the vehicle on all different corners and rotate the wheels and wash and get my hands stuck in the mags and cut my knuckles against the calipers and the drums, etc. Yes, the product is good. It's worth the money. At the end of the day, just follow the link, go check their product. They've got a whole host of products that will benefit your vehicle and make it look better than showroom condition. You have to put the elbow grease in as well. Don't forget, it doesn't do everything for you. I was so impressed with the product that I used it on the plastic hubcaps of a family member's vehicle, heavily soiled, which drives every single day. The vehicle doesn't get cleaned often. Filling from the brake dust, it actually absorbs into that plastic. It really gets stuck there. So I used the DetailEase, I let it go purple, and then I used a brush. I used a slightly stiff brush to see what the difference was. The stiff brush works really well, but it doesn't always get into those areas, those hard to get little corners. So I used a paintbrush, which is much softer and gets into the areas there, and you'll see a paintbrush is more than enough to help lift the soiled areas with the DetailEase. And the DetailEase does a job. It cleaned it. You can see the results. So I'm really happy. The product is good. It's worthwhile. It's worth every cent. You pay a bit more than you do for normal stuff for the other car care products on the shelf. But hey, you know what? The guys, the service was good. I ordered online. They sent it to me. Chuffed with it. My only concern is it might not last too long in a 500 ml bottle. It depends how much you use it. If you use it on heavily soiled wheels, it's probably going to use quite a bit. If you use on lightly soiled wheels and you wash often, it probably lasts you a bit longer. DetailEase, good product. Use it, go support them. I'm not being paid for their marketing. This is my review, and I hope it assists with them, and I hope it benefits their business. John O'Meara, CycleWorks Langebaan is my business, and Barking Mad Productions is my YouTube channel. Support me, subscribe, like the video, I'd appreciate it.